Drawing complex column cross-sections with internal ties can take up to 10 minutes per column. With the AutoLips Column Tools bundle, you can do it in seconds. Simply drag and drop our scripts into your AutoCAD workspace to load them. Our custom user interface makes it incredibly easy. No coding required. Just input your column geometry, clear cover, and main reinforcement details directly into the dialog box. It's fully customizable for any standard column size. Click OK, pick your insertion point, and AutoCAD instantly generates the perfectly dimensioned column, complete with main bars, outer stirrups, and text annotations. But what about complex internal ties? Our bundle handles that too. Run the stirrup tool, input the main rod diameter, and simply click the rebars you want to tie together. AutoLips automatically calculates the angles, draws the hooks, and places the internal stirrups perfectly. Stop wasting time on repetitive drafting. Message me today to automate your structural detailing workflow.